For Gajar Pakora or carrot fritters, I have got shredded carrots, chopped fresh coriander leaves, chopped onion, chopped green chilies and red chilies, dried red chili flakes, rice flour, amchur powder or dried mango powder, salt, gram flour or besan and water. Now combine everything except gram flour and rice flour in a mixing bowl. Keep adding the gram flour, rice flour and water until it gives you a thick consistency. Now fry the pakoras in hot oil. Fry on medium heat until brown. Now they are done. Dust with black salt or color namak and enjoy. Thank you for watching.